Hey Ferb, what do you want to do today? What do you think Perry wants to do today? He's a platypus. He doesn't do much. Hey, where's Perry?
Mom left and put me in charge. So you guys, I'm gonna be watching you two, so don't do any shenanigans.
Okay.
Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated.
Whoa, Perry the Platypus, you'll never stop me and my random teleportinator. No, Perry, don't touch that!
Oh, there you are, Perry. Who are you?
I think it teleports you again.
Phineas and Ferb, where did those boys go? Mom! Those boys are so busted.
Perry!
Hey, where are we? We should check this place out. Where'd Perry go? Hey, this looks interesting. What do you think's in here? I think I know what we're gonna do today.